Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? It's your man Jeremy Doodoo here. I'm out here in the mountains watching the sunset go down, and I had an amazing day. And I won't, I didn't shoot any video on this because I was just present the entire time. But I had this moment today where I saw my daughter running down this open field of grass, and I saw the mountains. There were two mountains that were on the side of her, and she was in the middle, running in the field looking free. And I was like, yo, I'm super thankful for this moment right now, God. I just had that thought in my mind because earlier this year I felt very burnt out. And the reason that I felt burnt out is because I wasn't doing things for myself. I was working my ass off on my job, thinking that if I just make this UI a little better, if I just make this person a little bit happier, then I'll be happy. Right? And I think so many of us make that mistake of not finding our personal happiness before we get into a job. Right? There are so many people who want to get into tech or want to become a designer or want to work for a specific company thinking that that's going to make them happy. And what I find is that a lot of people in tech get burnt out because I think that we're all seeking validation, right? We're seeking validation before we validate ourselves. and I'm like, yo, like at 33, I'm getting through that midlife crisis now. I think that a lot of us do that. We make that mistake. Right? So I wanted to make this video to remind you to validate yourself before you want somebody else to validate you. Validate yourself. Right? Find what makes you happy. Find what makes you special. Find your gift, find your talent. And then go after the job. Because when you do it the other way around, it's easy to get lost in the sauce. Right? I've met a lot of people over the course of my career who are making mad money, probably in the millions, and they're still not happy. So as somebody who's on the inside, I just want to remind you that before you get here, find your beach. I think that's like a cliche a cliche little saying that I hear, find your beach, but that's basically equates to find what makes you happy. Right? And the reason that I want to remind you guys about this is because I think it's much easier to paint the picture of your life and the vision that you want for your future when you understand yourself. Right? When you understand who you are as a human being, what you stand for, your values, and what you love and enjoy, it's much easier to paint that picture for the rest of your life and the people around you, right? But when you seek a title or a certain position or a company and you think that that's going to make you happy, then your world could get flipped. You get lost, right? So hopefully this reminds you, to stay on your path, right? And I hope that you're having a happy holidays. Peace and love to all of you guys. Thank you for the support over the past year. I'm super thankful to you guys. And for anybody who's hit me up over the past few weeks who had some deep conversations with me, I love y'all. Continue striving. Continue to find what your purpose is, and stay consistent. You'll get there, man. You'll get there. I'm living proof. I never thought that I would be where I'm at today, and it's taking a little longer than expected, but as long as you stay at it, man, you'll get there. Now, I'm just super grateful. I'm super grateful, man. If you could see what I see, I'm gonna just give y'all a little picture. If you could see what I see, then I think you would be thankful as well, man. So this is where we're staying at. It's a little lot. My daughter was running around here earlier, but There's mountains, there's a river nearby, there's birds all around. And I'm just super blessed to be here, man. So I hope that anybody who wants a certain kind of life, or they have a certain vision of themselves and where they want to be at, man, just stay at it. Just stay at it. I can cry right now, I'm so happy. But anyways, guys, I love y'all. Peace and love. If this video changed your mind a little bit, you already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.